Are you feeling overwhelmed by the thought of starting affiliate marketing because you don't feel skilled enough? What if I told you that success isn't about being perfect? It's about taking action. Today, we're diving into why affiliate marketing success is 90% about action, not expertise, and how you can start seeing results with limited skills. So grab your coffee and let's get to it. Here's the thing. Most people overthink their way out of success. They get caught up in the idea of, I need to learn everything first. But let me ask you this. How many times has waiting for the perfect moment actually gotten you anywhere? Spoiler alert, it hasn't. Affiliate marketing rewards those who do. Platforms like YouTube, blogs, and social media aren't waiting for experts. They're waiting for creators who show up consistently. Remember, your audience doesn't need perfection. They need someone relatable who's willing to share solutions. You don't need fancy tools or a polished website to get started. Start simple by using what you have. Your smartphone, free website builders, or even social media platforms can work wonders. Got a product you believe in? Start talking about it. Every small step builds momentum. Listen, consistency beats skills any day. Posting one imperfect piece of content a day is better than waiting 6 months to publish something perfect. Each post, video, or blog is a building block for your growth. Listen, the difference between those who succeed in affiliate marketing and those who don't is simple. They act. If you wait for the stars to align, you'll be in the same spot a year from now. Imagine where you could be instead if you just started today. Feeling inspired? Let's turn that energy into action. Drop a comment below and share what you're going to do today to move forward. Don't overthink. Just take the first step. And hey, if you're ready to level up, check out the free resources linked in the description to kickstart your journey. Remember, success isn't about having all the answers. It's about finding them along the way. So what are you waiting for? Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.